The 3-day eye revitalization protocol is a viral routine that makes a highly specific, remarkably bold claim. You can eliminate under-eye bags, dark circles, and wrinkles in exactly 72 hours using nothing more than Vaseline, carrot gel, and targeted facial movements. Millions of people are reaching for these household ingredients instead of booking appointments for laser resurfacing or hyaluronic acid injections, entirely bypassing a multi-billion-dollar clinical market dedicated to solving the exact same aesthetic problems. To understand why this specific area is so difficult to treat, we have to look at the anatomy. This split-screen diagram compares the skin on your cheek to the periorbital skin directly beneath your eye. Standard facial skin is roughly 2 millimeters thick. The periorbital layer is a fraction of that, measuring just 0.5 millimeters. Because that covering acts like delicate tissue paper, the blood pooling in the vascular networks underneath is highly visible. The dark blue and red vessels bleed right through that translucent top layer, which is what we perceive in the mirror as dark circles. The central question here is one of structural timing. Is it possible for a topical ointment mixture and a few physical massage techniques to rebuild and alter this fragile anatomical structure in exactly 3 days? To find the biological truth, we have to pull this protocol apart and test its 3 individual pillars, the seal, the catalyst, and the mechanic, against the strict speed limits of the human body. The first pillar of the routine relies on a thick coat of Vaseline. Vaseline is 100% petroleum jelly, which means clinically it is not actually a moisturizer. It is classified as an occlusive. The skin beneath your eyes is continuously bleeding internal moisture out into the surrounding air through a process called transepidermal water loss, or TWEL. This animation shows the exact mechanical function of an occlusive. Petroleum jelly does not add a single drop of new water to your cells. Instead, slapping a thick, solid layer over the pores acts as an impenetrable physical barrier, completely stopping transepidermal water loss in its tracks. When you trap that escaping moisture against the skin for an extended period, the thin periorbital tissue swells like a sponge. That accumulated water pushes outward, forcefully plumping the skin and flattening out fine lines. By day 3, the wrinkles appear to have vanished, but this is not a structural reversal of aging. It is a highly effective temporary mechanical illusion built entirely on trapped internal water. Step 2 introduces carrot gel as a natural catalyst. Carrots contain exceptionally high concentrations of beta-carotene, which is a raw, natural precursor to vitamin A. In clinical dermatology, vitamin A derivatives, known as retinoids, are the gold standard for treating dark circles. They work by stimulating deep cellular collagen production, slowly thickening the skin until it acts as an opaque shield over those visible blood vessels. But looking at this flowchart, you can see the metabolic barrier to entry. Your skin cannot use raw beta-carotene. For the ingredient to become active retinoic acid, the molecule must navigate 3 distinct enzymatic gates, converting step by step before it can finally bind to a cell and trigger collagen production. The flaw in the protocol is the speed limit. That enzymatic conversion, followed by the actual growth of new collagen cells, takes approximately 28 days. The collagen-producing cell simply remains dormant until that entire process finishes nearly a month later. Carrot gel provides excellent long-term antioxidant defense for the skin surface, but expecting a raw botanical precursor to synthesize, convert, and structurally thicken human skin over a single weekend ignores the non-negotiable metabolic timeline of cellular biology. The final pillar ditches the topical ingredients entirely, requiring users to perform targeted physical stretches and squints designed to combat under-eye bags. This medical illustration highlights the orbicularis oculi, the circular muscles surrounding the eye. Unlike a bicep, which attaches directly to your skeletal bone, facial muscles are glued directly to the delicate skin tissue above them. Because of this direct muscle-to-skin attachment, repetitive exercises do not bulk the under-eye muscle. Instead, the repeated contraction creates deep mechanical wear, permanently creasing the fragile tissue on the surface. Yet users consistently report smaller under-eye bags after doing the exercises. That happens because the physical squeezing motion acts as a manual pump, forcing stagnant, pooling lymphatic fluid out of the under-eye cavity and back into the body's circulation system. rapidly shrinking the puffiness. The exercises present a distinct biological trade-off. They act as a highly effective immediate fluid pump for bags, but they trade that short-term depuffing for a much higher long-term risk of inflicting permanent mechanical wrinkles. When we assemble the pieces, the complete mechanism becomes clear. The protocol relies on intense water trapping for wrinkles, distant botanical antioxidants for dark circles, and manual fluid drainage for bags. Reversing the structural aging of periorbital skin in 72 hours is a biological impossibility. The skin does not thicken and the cellular collagen does not regrow. However, the dramatic before and after photos shared by users online are entirely genuine. The visual changes they capture are real, driven entirely by the intense hydration of the occlusive barrier and the rapid removal of stagnant fluid. This viral trend manages to bypass expensive clinical treatments because it accidentally utilizes core dermatological truths, applying sound mechanical fixes to anatomical problems. You cannot fast-forward cellular biology in a weekend, but mastering the balance of barrier protection and fluid management remains the most scientifically sound, accessible strategy available for protecting the body.